These are the smoothest, richest, easiest truffles you'll ever make. And the best part, they're made with Baileys. Truffles were the first chocolate recipes I ever mastered. I experimented with a whole lot of different flavors, but Baileys has to be one of the best. A splash gives a creamy, boozy sweetness to these rich cocoa bites. So if you want to end the year with something simple, elegant, and made for sharing, this is the one. Alright, let's start. Wrap your dark chocolate drops in butter and melt them gently over a bain-marie. That's just a fancy way of saying a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. The gentle steam melts the chocolate slowly and evenly. The key tip is patience. You want the water to stay at a gentle simmer, not boiling, and you want the chocolate to reach around 65 degrees. If you rush it, you'll lose that glossy finish later on. When the mixture is smooth and silky, set it aside, that's your base. Now in a small saucepan, warm up your cream and sugar together until the sugar dissolves. Don't let it boil. Then whisk in your egg yolks gradually into the chocolate. When your yolks are mixed in, add the warm cream into the chocolate mixture and stir it all together until it's smooth and shiny. And now comes the best part. Baileys. This is where the subtle sweetness and creamy boozy warmth comes in. The flavor that makes these truffles feel like a New Year celebration. But here's a trick. Don't add it while the chocolate's too hot. If you do, it'll split the mass, and we don't want that. Let the chocolate cool to about 40 degrees first, and then you mix it in. Once it's all combined, transfer the mixture into a piping bag. Pipe small dots onto a parchment-lined tray. Neat little mounds about the size of a marble. This step feels fancy, but it's really about consistency. When you roll them later, they'll all be the same size, like a true chef made them. Now you can chill them for at least 1 to 2 hours until they're firm enough to handle. Now for the finishing touch. Once your truffles are chilled, drop them into a bowl of rich chocolatey cocoa powder, give them a swirl, and that's about it. They should look like tiny, elegant jewels, soft inside, matte outside, and ready to serve. And there you have it, silky, glossy Baileys chocolate truffles. If yours didn't turn out this perfect, no worries. The flavor is what really matters. Soft on the inside, just a touch of bitterness from the cocoa, and that warm, creamy note of the Baileys to tie it all together. These are the kind of bites you'd bring out after a long New Year's Eve dinner when everyone's too full for dessert. But somehow, there's always room for one of these. Cheers and happy holidays from the Cocoa Circle.